Okay. So we are writing this breadcrumb. Okay, that's how we get. It's the same. Okay, it's the same. You can see uh, almost similar. You will get breadcrumb. Yeah. So the same one. So that's a XPath is same, but so HYME. Oh my god. Maybe I can just put a registration. Oh my god. Okay. So now you can call these methods there. You can call these methods there so that that test case will be successful. Let's go here, call those methods. So where we need registration. After registration, you have to come back, right? So you verified, you need to come back. Navigate back to log.info. Navigate back to home page. So we have to give registration dot reg page. Why registration object? That is registration method, registration page method. That's why you need to call. Click, can see here, click registration home icon. That's it. So to navigate, it will take some time. Maybe you can use some wait if you want. Already in the wait here is there already here. So it's enough. No need to put again. Same you do for the login also. Same we'll do for the login also. To home page. But here you have to use login page. Login page dot click home icon. Yeah, click home icon. That's it. Now you can run this test case. Perfect. And you have to, so if you want to run this test case, you need a suit file, right? So let's go and create the suit file. It's up to you where you want. You want to create under this, or you want to create in the entire project. It's up to you. I'm just keeping in the project, okay? Project location I'm keeping. Convert to test engine. See, it is going to create under a project below. So that's it. I can just give open cart suit, open cart test. So the class name also coming here. Okay. If you want reports, see that it is added here. If you want reports, you need to add these listeners. You need to add these listeners. How to add these listeners? So you can add listeners here. Suit tag below, you add the listener. So the listener will be, okay. So there is a listener concept. So you have to give the listener name. Okay. So each listener you have to write. Listener. So class name, and you give the package, the complete package. After this listener, right? After this dot card dot listeners. listeners, listeners. Dot the class name. So you have to write the class name. What are the class names? You take these class names. Extend report listener. Extend report. Extend report listener. Same you do for the second one. That is a test allure listener. Test allure listener. Okay. So that's the test allure listener. So both listeners we added. If you want to add, so any browser running all, but already we added, so no need. So just no right click, run on this as a suite file, run as test engine suite. Test suite started. I'm in on start method, open cart. See browser launched, application URL launched, and going to registration page. So it is clicking the home icon. Again, navigating to login page. Again, clicking on the, that's a, see all the test cases are passed. So if you want to see the report, you refresh the page and you go here in the reports, under reports. So extend report, right click on this, copy this path. See, this is how your test cases will list out here with the timestamp. So you even screenshots also you will get. Okay. So second one is the screenshot. So this is the all the so reports how you even you can see. So there are different ways. If you want, you can get like this also. So pie charts, and if any failures are there, it will list out for you. See the title. This is the we have given this title. You can change this. Okay, this also. Whatever the name you want, you can give. See the open card test cases passed 5, failed 0, skipped 0. Like that, you will get a nice report. And also, so customer name, application, module. So these info, if you want, you can change. So this is all in extent manager we have given this point, these values. So all this system info, if you want, you can get that. Okay, so this is how you can customize your reports however you want. Okay. Any questions? See, started, ended, the time also it will show you. Right? This is called extend reports. You are customizing. You have again TestNG also, but this is our customization report. So where you can find TestNG reports here, test output. So here also you can find them. But this is the better one, right? Compared to that, this is the better one. So you'll get a nice report. Is this clear? Or any doubts? Before going for the next login page test case, we'll design. Or forget password will forget password page we will design. Test case we'll see tomorrow because we have less time. And you can know remaining thing you can compare. Okay. So let's go and do the registration. Sorry, forget password page we'll write. Forget password page we need to write. First understand, okay? So go to login page, see forget password. So you need to understand this flow. First to home page, login page, then you have to click on the forget password. Then only you will land in this page. So that flow you need to write when you are developing a test cases. So while developing the test case, you need to understand this flow. Okay, let's go and develop this page quickly. And I hope we can finish. So another 6 minutes. So these listeners will help us to generate the report. Okay, these are important. If you forget to add them. Then you will get the report. Okay, let's go to forget password. Quickly we can design login page. So I'll take till here. Okay. Forget password. Should create a constructor. So constructor also design. Keep the top. Now, so at the rate find by find by, right? First, which element you need to decide that, right? You need to decide that. So let's go there. So this one. So this is a header or what is this? So H1 header, right? This is the header. So forget password, forget your password header. So take that. Maybe you can write same div slash hash content H1. So CSS you can write hash content H1 greater than H1. So that's how we can develop. Let's see CSS equal to double quotes hash content greater than H1. So private web element, private web element. So forget password, forget your password. Header. Okay. So what is the next element? So take all this. How many are there? I hope so. It's enough, I think. So this one, this is your email address. So your email address, legend text, we call this. So this we call this your legend. So legend, so you can see legend. So that is the, so you can write a CSS and from here, you can write a CSS from here and you can see here content and right content, then form after, what is the next one? Field set, then legend. So this is the relative CSS how to write. So let me write, okay? So these are important, try to build as many. So then you will get a confident. So content, then what is the next one? Form. I'm ignoring this. Form. So write next form. Instead of this, you can write form tag greater than. What is the next one? Field set. Field set. FILD field set. All lowercase, okay? So then legend. So this is the one. What is this? Your email address, legend text. Your email address, legend text. Next, email address edit box, right? This one immediately next, this one only. So you have ID, just take ID. No need to think of, so email address, edit box. Email address, edit box. Next, so next, what is the element? Two elements are there. One is continue button. Same, I think continue, right? Value continue. So you can use, so this XPath we can write. Let's write XPath. Or even now I can write a CSS. Let me write a CSS, okay? CSS input square bracket type equal to submit type equal to submit and what is that value, right? Value equal to so continue button. You can write a continue button. Same you write for the back button. What is a back button? Where is that? Back. Okay, a tag is there. So I'll use this XPath otherwise. Let me use the XPath. Okay, so that's all. Tomorrow we'll develop remaining things. Okay, so you continue, right? Write the methods and come back so that you will get a better idea. Yeah. Thank you.